Hey y'all, it's Wednesday again, and you know what happens. It's our Wednesday day date. If you're new here, I'm Joe. I'm Lisa. And we are vloggers here in the UK. Jamaican vloggers, we must say. Oh yes, that's important. We take a little break in the middle of a day on a Wednesday. Middle of the week, middle of the day. So on a Wednesday we have our little day date. So today is our day date. We have a few stops to make on the road, and then we'll show you what next is up. Yes, so what did you say about the driving? Big bad driving?
Yeah, we did rights at roundabouts, that was the main focus.
Rights.
Yeah. They do like left and straight as well to get us to where we need to go.
Yeah.
But it was mainly focused on rights. There was some big roundabout.
Where?
You know, one that's, I think it's near Buffet Island. Well, there was a Buffet Island there, and I think it was the one that we
big major one. Really?
But I
thought there was only one. But that's what I thought. Buffet
the
Island.
sign said Buffet Island. I was like, wait, we're not, but this isn't anywhere near. No, Buffet Island.
What else was near there?
There was like a gala bingo type thing on the corner. I know one of them was, you know, King Standing Side with a big.
Yeah.
One of them.
And they like carry you to that tested inspectors.
Yeah.
I went to that one. So you're progressing well. How many more before you do your test?
She didn't say, but she said next week's lesson is. You can't see my head. Next week's lesson is parallel parking.
Oi.
And then the one after that we'll revisit roundabouts. Just for a little bit more practice on that.
No reverse yet?
I've already done reverse round a corner. So park on the road and then reverse into a side road round a bend.
Alright. Sound good. Okay, so which stop you need to make now? You have your money?
Yeah, I've got my phone.
Okay.
I need to go to Savers.
We think we might not go to Sutton again today. Yes, to go into Erdington, and we have limited time, so just do Erdington. I need a plant pot and maybe a pot for the plant pot to go into, or a base. Base, yeah. To drain the water out. Yeah. Okay.
On the back.
Here's some of the journey and also some of our conversations in the car. Whether or not it's okay to visit elderly relatives now, even though the pandemic is still on. What do you think? I think they should wait until they're vaccinated.
The boys?
Yeah.
That's going to be ages.
Yes, but your nan is ill. So if they have to wait, they just have to wait. They can call her on video call. But
Do you think my dad would know how to use video call?
Why not?
Do you know what phone she has?
No. What?
They have the landline. Do you know what a landline phone is? And then she has a flip phone.
Maybe she have a more up-to-date phone by now and you don't know.
She doesn't. We can tell you for one thing she doesn't. She doesn't even know how to use the flip phone.
So when she call on the...
I think it's the landline. She mainly uses the flip phone for when she's going out. But like when we're out and she's like,
I think there's a cafe in there, so too. I don't know. They're open to allow eating in.
that's from next week.
Coffee shop open, drink in or take away. Yeah. Free Wi-Fi. I wonder how many people.
What, that sign's been out there for ages though.
I think it's at one.
Coffee
Pass
shop
here every
open
day and I
late.
don't see it.
Coffee shop
Never
open.
anybody inside. This is our high street, Erdington High Street. So we might be one of the only high streets that have 2 Poundlands. So here's one.
Not as good stuff.
Yeah.
Because remember, this was 99p.
Oh,
99p.
and that went out of business.
And then Poundland moved down here.
Right, so we've got British Heart Foundation, solicitors, discount shops, cash generator, this new cake box I've never been in.
Cake box is good.
Shops. What's that big red one again? Big red charity shop.
British Heart Foundation.
Yes. If there's no parking up on the main high street, we might have to go all the way around or go up to Co-op and go park in Co-op, which is not free parking anymore, but somebody just left. I hope it is a free space. It's not. You see? Is that one that he just came out of? Yes. And that car alarm is going off. And this man ain't looking where he going. And I'm happy. I got a parking space. There's a lady in there. We took a quick stop into the pound shop called Poundland, where everything one time used to be a pound. When we just came to England, everything in the pound shop was a pound. Now they sell almost everything, and not many things are a pound either anymore. But anyway, some drinks are there, and they're 2 for a pound. I won't bore you with everything that we stayed in there too long. I won't bore you with everything we saw or did, but when we get home, I think Julian will do a little haul and show you what we actually bought. But we spent a little time looking into Poundland. Leisa was looking for this pot planter for her tomatoes. She didn't get any planter. We didn't quite find one that was suitable. We tried all sorts of things, including putting these one plastic basket into another one. Lisa laughed at my stupidity. It didn't work. Then she found these wooden little, I think they're planters as well, but they were too small. These are the ones. They were way too small, but they really looked cute. Here's the church that we really wanted to sit and have lunch in. It has a small cafe on the inside. It's a beautiful church. It's on our high street. Can't remember the name, if it's St. Martin or Saint something. But it's a lovely church with a little cafe in. Lovely and cozy. We didn't get a chance because it tumbled down with rain. We'll have to go to that cafe for lunch another time because of the heavy rains that we experienced, and we didn't want to get caught out having to sit in there in the rain, not knowing when it was going to stop. So we took a stop in a little pound bakery, they call it, where lots of things are a pound. So we got pasties and what else did we get? Sausage rolls and so on. Pasties, sausage rolls, a drink and a crisp. I think you could get a little meal deal for £2. We thought it was £2.50, but it was £2. So we'll show you in the car what we got. Well, we're having lunch in the car. What time is it, by the way? 1:30, that's fine. So we went into this shop that had a bakery, pound bakery it's called. So they sell like pasties and pies and so on. And sandwiches. So I got egg mayo sandwich because most of the sandwiches, I don't even like sandwiches. It's a baguette though. Yeah. So egg mayo baguette, and then with a crisp and a drink, and that was £1. No, sorry, £2. Yes. So that's a good deal. I got chicken baguette. No, not baguette.
Chicken bake.
Like a pasty. Like a patty. I wish it was a patty, but it isn't. And
you got what again?
Cream soda. And the cheese and onion crisp, and that's for £2. You had one of the crisp?
Then I got a chicken pasty, a vegan sausage roll, a packet of crisps and a drink. Perrier for the same £2.
Show what your pasty is like. So that's as close as we get to patty. It's going to be very flaky as well, the pastry. When we get home, we'll show you what else we got on Erdington High Street. And then we almost got drenched. Rain came down. Suddenly, unexpectedly, just lots of rain. This is okay, but cold, and the baguette is very hard. Crispy. Is it hot? Mine is hot. The filling just looks white. I thought it would be like chicken and mushroom, but it's chicken and white sauce. And this is something typical as well with British people when they're eating a sandwich or a baguette. What is this with the
I go to about here, then the filling come out here and burn my lip.
Yeah, so people eat sandwiches with a crisp. I don't like crisp much either, but my favorite one would be this cheese and onion crisp.
Over what's it?
But nothing like real banana chips, Jamaican banana chips, or what's it, which is like Jamaican cheese sticks. Reversing up the road here. Somebody else is coming. Is there a spot behind us?
Oh, why did they say close? No, there's a white car there. Those people today trying to intimidate me on the road. Yeah, we were driving on one road and there was a lorry behind and it was so close. And then when we were coming back and we was going down, not the roundabout, coming down there, it's the hill, someone come racing up, look like they're not going to slow down, but we go in little things, so we're half in the middle of the road, half not, so to make him slow down, and him just about squeeze through the thing, and then him give a look like, like what are you doing type of thing.
You just have to be so careful when you're on the road. I must say I haven't tasted any chicken yet. So it's a sauce pasty. Pastry and white sauce pasty.
I've got chicken.
Julian and Shirley like the vegan sausage roll. I don't know what is in it, but they like it. I don't like it. Have you eaten it already?
We're back home now and this is a haul of what we got. So the first things we got is batteries, both AA and AAA, for clocks and remotes that haven't got batteries in right now. And then we got this camping plate, which is going to be the bottom of a plant pot. We've got these plastic organisations, like things for the fridge. These are all from Poundland. This is a cocoa butter cream for my tattoo that I recently got. Now help with healing. That was from Savers. And then this was also from Poundland. It's just blue tack for my picture wall in my room to put pictures up. And then we got this casserole dish, also from Poundland, for casseroles or other type of dishes like lasagna or things that would go in there. Then we've got a bunch of different drinks. So we've got Dr. Pepper, Pepsi Max and Diet Coke. Then we got these snap ice rolls. These are loved in our house. They're Tango. And then we got all these snacks to refill. We've got peanuts, which are chocolate covered, sour cream and onion Pringles, chocolate orange mini eggs, Haribo gummy bears, M&Ms, and these are a selection of mints. So that's all that we got today.
So that's it for this week's Wednesday Day Date. We hope that that has inspired you to take time out of your week to just go out. So instead of work, all play, all work and no play, make Jack a dull boy and Jill as well a dull girl. So that's Thank you for joining with us, and we look forward to sharing with you next week on our Wednesday Day Date. Bye.